Maestro EP are the newest haptic gloves from Contact CI. Created for VR and AR, these lightweight and wireless haptic gloves are designed to allow for natural use and movement of the hands while interacting hands-on in virtual environments. Using a blend of force feedback and vibrotactile feedback, Maestro EP delivers convincing haptics in a way that allows for the acquisition of new skills or information when using VR for training. If it's dangerous, expensive, or prohibitive from a material standpoint, training in VR with Maestro EP is an effective solution. Contact CI's hand tracking and headset agnostic approach allows for broad compatibility with any setup. Maestro EP is compatible with leading hand tracking solutions such as UltraLeap and the hand tracking technologies built into the Vario, Valve Index, and MetaQuest 2 headsets. The Maestro software development kit brings haptic interactions to the leading game engines Unity and Unreal Engine. This broad compatibility makes it easy to add immersive multi-force haptic interactions to new or existing content. Maestro EP. Feel the unreal.